Today we are looking at a Crippen Micro 180 grain and seed cleaner. This unit is in overall good condition. It has just come in. We are going to be loading this unit up with balls for the ball trays and going over this unit. But before we do that, we wanted to make this video so you could see what we have. This unit is in overall good condition. In a minute we are going to fire it up, but before we do that, we're going to do a walk around. You can see down inside of the shoe, the wood is in good shape. This unit comes with screens. You can see the top air of the unit. Again, the plywood is in good shape. This unit really hasn't seen that much use. You can see the eccentric bearing here. Bearings are in good shape. This unit is powered by two motors. This one is a 1.5 horse that runs the shake. And this one up here is a 1/2 horse. Both of these units are 3-phase dual voltage. We're going to run one motor at a time so you can see this unit work. Let's fire up the shake. We can see this unit running, fires right up, starts strong, runs strong. Runs just as good as a new one, has a lot of eye appeal. The wood is nice and bright. I don't see any moisture issues or anything that would cause this unit to not work as it should. This unit just hums right along. There is some excess vibration in this unit because it is not bolted to the floor. For this unit to work properly, it has to be bolted to a solid floor. But for demonstration purposes, we can fire it up and run it. It's an all-around nice unit. It does have a counterbalance. It really smooths these more modern cleaners out. Makes them run really nice. And now we're going to fire this motor up. And here we can see the top motor running. This runs the hopper. Runs the feed hopper, hums right along, starts right up. Everything works as it should. You can see those bearings turning there. It's an all-around nice unit. We're going to bring this unit in, check it over, and then this unit will be ready to perform. This seed cleaner and other seed and grain cleaners, larger and smaller, all makes, all models, can be bought from us here at Commodity Traders International. We sell a wide variety of seed, feed, and milling machinery. Thank you for watching.